Good day mga Choy! Once again, this is me, Alex of JTD Builder and Automotive Parts Trading. Okay, today I'm going to show you a video mga Choy. This is what we call Suzuki Palette. Okay, this unit is surplus vehicles all the way coming from Japan mga Choy. So tingnan po natin dito, no? Okay, how beautiful, how elegant this unit it is. So here we go! Okay? Tingnan nyo yung video dyan sa makikita nyo mga Choy. Yan po tinatawag natin na Suzuki Palette. Okay? Perhaps this is not new in the market but it is new to us here at JTD Builder Automotive Parts Trading. Okay? So, yun po yung mga unit po natin dito. Made to order po. Kung gusto nyo magpagawa ng ganyang unit po na makikita nyo dyan sa video, that is, the price of that is being revealed mga Choy once you're going to message me, okay? Just PM me mga Choy. So, we're going to assemble and build that kind of unit. No, just we require 50,000 down payment po so that we can give you that kind of unit mga Choy. So, months of working hours for that is it will take only 1 month and 2 weeks for making of that kind of vehicle mga Choy. So you can choose whatever color you want for this type of vehicle mga Choy. The same also with other unit that we have, like for example the DA64W or V. So here you can choose also your favorite color. So what are you waiting for mga Choy? Order na. So ito po yung makikita nyo po from interior po niya, from the exterior po. Pwede po yan. Ganyan po yung mukha niya. Napakaganda po yan, lalo na po sa may dashboard part. Yung dashboard niya pwede po higaan ng tao po yan. Joke lang yun ha. And then yung second row po niya is, if you're going to familiar with Honda Fit, no? The second row or the back portion, the back seat of that unit can be knocked down po siya. Totally flat po yun. And put something in there na mga bagahe nyo kung anong gusto nyo ilagay. So, multi-van, multi-use po yung mga ganyang unit. Kaya yung mga collapsible po yung, yung upuan nila. So, what are you waiting mga Choy? So, order na po dito sa atin, no? Ng Suzuki Palette mga Choy. Napakagandang unit, napaka-elegante po nito. Napakaganda ito patakbuhin sa kalsada po. Iba na unit ng Suzuki Palette natin dyan. Okay? So, social po yung dating niya dito. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo po? Pwede na po kayo mag-message po sa akin. And then, let's talk about the price for this unit, mga Choy. So, just enjoy watching the video and say bye-bye.